What if I told you that the plastic bottle you just threw away is worth money? Millions are made every day from PET plastic, and most people have no idea how this hidden industry works. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn trash into cash. PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, is the magic behind your water bottles, soda containers, and even shampoo packs. It's lightweight, strong, and 100% recyclable. But here's the crazy part. Over 70% of PET bottles end up in landfills or oceans, while smart entrepreneurs are getting rich recycling them. PET isn't just for drinks. Big companies pay top dollar for recycled PET to make new bottles. Coca-Cola, Pepsi need millions daily. Clothing, yes, your Nike shirt might be from old bottles. Cosmetics and pharma, luxury brands love clean, recycled PET. Car parts and furniture, Toyota, IKEA use recycled plastic. The recycling industry is worth $100 billion. And guess what? China, India, and Europe are begging for PET plastic. But here's the problem. Less than 30% gets recycled. That means you could be the missing link, connecting waste to profit. These are the players who will pay you for PET bottles. Recyclers, they melt it down for reuse. Manufacturers, they need cheap material for new products. Exporters, they ship to high-demand countries. If your mind is blown, drop a comment. Want the next chapter? Smash that like button and subscribe. Warning: you could lose everything if you skip this step. Most PET bottle sellers never talk about the legal risks. But today, I'll show you how to stay safe and make legal profits. Before you sell a single bottle, you need these 3 things. Business license. Register as a recycling/trading company. Tax ID. Avoid fines by declaring income. Local waste handling permit. Some cities require special approval. Pro tip: a sole proprietorship is the easiest way to start. Want to sell to China, Europe, or the USA? You'll need export license. Apply through your country's trade ministry. HS code for PET scrap. Usually 3907.61 for recycled plastic. Warning: some countries ban plastic imports. Always check first. Here's how to get top dollar for your PET. FDA approval. For food-grade plastic, buyers pay 2x more. ISO 9001 proves you're a professional supplier. BRC certification, required by major brands like Nestle. Fun fact: clean, colorless PET is the most valuable. Ignore these rules and you could face huge fines for illegal dumping or burning plastic. Prison time in some countries, like the Philippines. Smart move: partner with certified recyclers to stay 100% legal. This is how the big players get their PET plastic without you ever noticing. Today, I'm revealing the real places to find tons of bottles and how to get them for cheap. Forget dumpster diving. Here's where the pros get their supply. Local suppliers and scrapyards. They already collect bottles. Buy in bulk. Waste collectors and garbage pickers. Pay them slightly more than scrap value. Supermarkets and restaurants. They throw away hundreds daily. Offer to collect free. Pro tip: schools and gyms are gold mines for clean bottles. Never pay full price. Use these negotiation hacks. The "I'll take it all" discount. Suppliers drop prices for bulk buyers. The future business trap: give me a good deal now. I'll be back every week. The cash today move. Waive physical cash. People accept lower offers fast. Warning: always inspect quality before paying. Buyers will reject your shipment if you ignore these 3 things. Color: clear PET equals $. Green/blue equals less value. Black equals worthless. Cleanliness: no food residue. Labels removed. No caps. Contamination: even 5% dirty bottles can get you blacklisted. Pro move: invest in a simple washing line. Clean PET sells for 2x more. Now you know where to get the bottles. But here's the real question: who's going to pay you the most for them? The answer might shock you. This factory processes 50 tons of PET bottles daily. and someone just like you is supplying them. Today, I'll show exactly where to find these hungry buyers, both online and offline. Step 1. Search these exact group names *. Plastic scrap buyers and sellers worldwide. Pet Bottle Recycling Business Network. Plastic Waste Trade Export-Import. Pro tip: join 10+ groups and post daily with clear photos of your bottles. Quantity available, e.g., 5 tons monthly. Location and price, 50 cents per kilogram pickup in Texas. Cold messaging template that gets replies. Hi name. I supply 10+ tons/month of clean pet flakes. FDA approved. Can we discuss your needs? Best. Your name. Key targets. Procurement managers at recycling plants. Plastic trader job titles. Companies posting about sustainable materials. Warning. Most sellers fail here by not getting trade assurance. Buyers don't trust you. Pricing too high, check competitors first. Poor English in listings. Do this instead. Create a gold supplier account. $3,000 per year but worth it. Use keywords. Our pet flakes. Food-grade pet scrap. Offer samples even if you lose money initially. The offline buyers who pay cash today. Local recycling plants. Google pet recycling near me. Packaging manufacturers. Look for plastic injection molding companies. Trade shows. Key events. Plastivision. NPE. PRSE. Script when calling. Hi, I'm Name with X tons of clean pet bottles. Do you have 2 minutes to discuss your sourcing needs? Now you know where the buyers are. But here's what nobody tells you about getting them to pay top dollar. Right now, someone in your city is Googling pet bottle buyers near me, but they can't find you. In 10 minutes, I'll show you how to hijack these customers using a free tool, Google My Business. Follow these exact steps. Go to Google My Business. Google.com/business. Enter Pet Bottle Recycling as your business name. Choose Recycling Center or Waste Management as category. Add your service area, even if you work from home. Pro tip: use a real address if possible. Google trusts this more. These are the magic keywords buyers search for. Pet bottle buyers near me. Sell plastic scrap. City name. Cash for plastic bottles. State. Where to put them. Business description. First 3 lines matter most. Services section. List. Pet bottle collection. Bulk plastic recycling. Posts and updates. More on this next. Post weekly with these winning formats. Offer. Get 10% more for clean pet this week only. Stock update. 50 tons available. DM for bulk pricing. Educational. Why clear pet bottles sell for 2x more. Pro trick. Use emoji in posts. They boost engagement 30%. 3 ways to get reviews that convert buyers. Text template after sale. Thanks for your business. Could you leave a quick review? Link. Incentivize carefully. Get $5 off next load for honest feedback. Respond to every review, even bad ones. Shows you're active. Warning. Never pay for fake reviews. Google will ban you. Now you're getting local buyers. But what if I told you there's a way to automate this entire process? The secret lies in. If your mind is blown, drop a comment. Smash that like button and subscribe. This seller gets ignored, while this one gets 50 inquiries a day, using the exact same bottles. Today, I'll show you word for word what to post to make buyers fight for your stock. Every pitch must answer these 3 questions immediately. Quantity. 500 kilograms available weekly. Be specific. Quality. Food grade clear pet. 0% contamination. Photos prove it. Price. 45 cents per kilogram for bulk buyers, or negotiable if unsure. Pro tip: put price last. It keeps them reading. 4 Facebook Marketplace. Hot stock. 2 tons clear pet bottles. Food grade quality. Washed and baled. Available every Thursday. 50 cents per kilogram. Bulk discounts. Your city. Reply pet for fastest response. 4. LinkedIn professional tone. Consistent supplier alert. We provide 5 to 10 tons/month of FDA-approved pet flakes. 99% purity. Lab test reports available. FOB your port. Message for samples and pricing. Serious inquiries only. Why